Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Said Abdujuma. I am a mathematics teacher, and today inshallah we'll continue with another Form 1 topic, which is units of measurement. So let's start. Let's start with basic fundamental quantities. So what is basic fundamental quantities? Basic fundamental quantities are length, mass, and time. The basic fundamental quantities are length, mass, and time. So let's start explaining what is length. What is length? So a length is a path taken by an object between 2 points. A length can be defined as the path taken by an object between 2 points. In metric system, the basic unit of length is meter, which always abbreviated as m. Other units of length obtained from meter are kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, etc. And these units are related as follows. As you see, 1 kilometer always equal to 1000 meter, and also 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and also 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, and also 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. So let's move to another basic fundamental quantity, which is mass. What is mass? A mass can be defined as the quantity of matter in an object. A mass can be defined as the quantity of matter in an object. The basic unit of mass is always kilogram. It's always kilogram and always abbreviated as kg. Other units of mass are ton, gram, milligram, and others. And these units of mass are related as follows. For example, 1 ton always equal to 1000 kilogram. And also 1 kilogram always equal to 1000 gram. And 1 gram always equal to 1000 milligram. So let's move to another fundamental quantity, basic fundamental quantity, which is time. So what is time? A time is a measure of interval between 2 events. Time can be defined as the measure of interval between 2 events. And the basic unit of times is always second. And always is denoted by using the letter S. Other units of time are hour, day, year, months, decade, century, and others. And these units are related as follow. For example, 1 week always equal to 7 days. Also, one day equal to 24 hours. Also, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. And also, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So now let's move to operation on length and mass. And in mathematics, we have 4 operations, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So on this part, we're more concerned on how we can add or subtract or multiply or divide two or more lengths or 2 or more masses. So for example, we are required to compute the followings. So let's start with Roman A, which we are required to add, to perform addition. So if you add 7 by 2, the answer will be equal to 9. Also, if you add 2 by 7, the answer will be equal to 9. And also, if you add 5 by 3, the answer will be equal to 8. So the answer will be equal to 899. So this is how we add lengths. As you see, for example, these are lengths. That ones are in centimeter, and that one are in decimeter, and that one are in meter. Let's move to Roman B, which we are required to subtract. Which we are required to perform subtraction. So 4 minus 5, you can't subtract 4 by 5, so we should take 1 from this part. So if you take 1, so we'll have, if you bring here, we'll have 14. We'll have 14 because 1 gram always equal to 10 decigram. So if you take 1, it will be 10. It will not be 1, it will be 10. So if you bring 10 here plus this 4, it will be 14. So 14 minus 5 equal to 9. And here it will remain 1. It will remain 1. So 1 minus 100, you can't subtract 1 by 100. So we need to take another, we need to take another number from this place, from this position. So we will take 1, but as you know, 1 kilogram always equal to 1000 gram. So if you take 1, you can take 1. If you take 1, it will be 1000, not 1. So if you bring here, it will be equal to 1002. So 1002 minus 100 will get 902. So now let's finish here. And at this number now we have 4, because we have already taken number 1 to this place. So it will remain 4. So 4 minus 3 will get 1. So this one will be the answer. Also, let's move to Roman C, which are required to perform multiplication. So 2 times 10 will get 20. 2 times 2 equal to 4. So this one will be the answer. And let's finish with the last one, which we are required to perform division on this. Which we are required to perform division. So how we can divide these two quantity, mass, how we can divide it by 5. So it can be divided as follow. So 2 kilogram and 5 kilogram divided by 5, which we are required to divide it by 5. So it will be equal to 2 kilogram 100 gram divided by 5. But 2 kilogram, let's convert it into gram. So if you convert it into gram, we'll get 2000 gram and 100 gram, but divided by 5. So if you divide by 5, 2000 by 5, so we'll get 400 gram, and also 100 gram divided by 5 will get 20 gram. So this one will be the answer. So if you divide 2 kilogram and 100 gram by 5, the answer will be equal to 400 gram and 20 gram. So for today, we'll end up here. Let's meet again next lesson, inshallah. Thank you.